Just let me tell you one fact, that the richest residence in the full world belongs to an Indian, that is Mukesh Ambani. And you know that Mukesh Ambani has his own private residence in Altamont Road, which is Antilla. It is 27-story tall, and it's said to be $2 billion. Some say 1 billion, some say 1.5. Some estimates say it is $2 billion. It is the richest private residence in the world. And do you know, this residence of Mukesh Ambani, which is supposed to be the richest Indian, it is built on a Waqf property. So much so that after it was completed, there was a court case, and finally he won it. It was built on a Waqf property. Yes, there are some of our Muslims who are corrupted, who for small gain, they take bribes, etc., and they don't handle the property well. This should be stopped.